Hey guys, it's Damon here from DecoExchange, and we're going to make a quick bow on the Easy Bow Maker. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to need is 7 ribbons, 3 2.5 inch, 4 1.5 inch. I like to start with the most solid color that's the brightest for the bottom. I like to measure my tails out the length of the board, 16 inches. Get a nice little pinch. Alright, whenever you're pushing the ribbon through the little boards here, y'all, this is too wide. It's not going to go, right? So you're going to naturally have to turn it. Whenever you turn it, give it a twist so that you have the pretty side on the top for your tail and the ugly side facing down on your loop. Alright, we're going to move our tail down here out of the way. We're going to make this at about a 7-inch loop. So to do that, I just take my finger, run it along the ribbon until we get to 7 inches on the board. Bring it back and follow that same pattern. Look, when it slides in between the poles, it's going to want to twist naturally. So now, you want your pretty side facing up and the ugly side facing down. Follow the same thing. Alright, so for this one, y'all, we're going to do 2, 1, 2, until we run out of ribbons. So I'll move this one to the top. And we'll just keep going. So measuring out to our 7-inch mark. Now we're done with that ribbon, y'all. Let's cut off the tail. Alright. So the next one, we just have one loop on both sides. So same feature, right? Pretty side up, pretty side down. Y'all, the first two, I make about the same length on your loops because this is the base of the bow. And then every loop coming in, we make just a little bit smaller. So we did 2, 1, we're going to 2 on this one. Alright, so this one, y'all, we just come slightly smaller. Let me turn it so you guys can see. About to lose a word. Alright, so you can see this green one just sticks out just a little bit further than the pink. Alright, so we've used all of our 2.5 inch ribbon, and now we'll go to our 1.5 inch. Following the same pattern, y'all. Pretty side up on the tails. A pretty side down on the loops, and just getting slightly smaller with each one now. following the same pattern of the 1, 2, 1, 2 over and over again. Also, whenever you fold, if you keep going back and forth with the same pattern, your ribbons won't get twisted, right? So we folded this way, we came back this way. Now we'll fold it back, and then we'll just lay this one right on top. Alright, so our twist is like that. And then y'all, I just like to add a little bit of black and white to make it pop. So I'm going to add a little black and white right to the center of this bow. For the center, you only have to do 2 tails and 1 loop, y'all. Alright. We'll put our pipe cleaner through it. Pull it around the back. Pull your stack tight together, and then just give it a twist. If you struggle twisting the pipe cleaners, y'all, just twist the bow in your hand. Just hold the pipe cleaner still and twist the bow. Alright. Now all you have to do is fluff it out a little bit. You'll want to make sure that you pull the ribbons and tails in different directions. That way you don't end up with a big empty spot at the top. That's it. Simple little bow. Now on the tails, you'll want to either cut them at a diagonal like this, or you can dovetail them. But the most important part, y'all, is fluffing your tails. So take your fingers, give them a little pinch, and then just kind of roll them towards you as you pull out. And you'll get some nice little curls. Alright, now look. See how we have some loops down here on the bottom? Y'all, they're covered up by the tails. So I would rearrange those to where you fill in more of the top half of the bow and not the bottom. Like, you don't need any any loops under this part. Alright, there you go. Quick and easy bow, y'all.